ready when it comes time to inoculate your API test strip. So let me walk you through what we're going to do. First of all, there's an extensive procedure posted in Canvas. I'll try to summarize it for you, but I advise you to literally print it out and read step by step. Okay, here's the gimmick. You're going to come up front when the time comes, and you're going to take 2 pipettes. You might need a swab, and you're going to take a test tube of sterile saline per team. Okay? You're going to need those things because first thing you're going to do is make an emulsion of your unknown. So use your sterile swab. Remember the way to open it properly, you know, so the little handle sticks out. Swab some of the bacteria off of your unknown on the Petri plate. Stick it in your tube of sterile saline and swish it around really good to get the bacteria into emulsion, right? Then you take your little swabby, you put it back in your little baggie, and you throw it in the biohazard box. Okay, you now have an emulsion of your bacteria. You're going to use a pipette to fill little cups in an API test strip that looks like that. So, it's really tricky because everything's so small, okay? Now, in order to fill your strip cups, you're going to have to lean this sucker up. So, some people take the base in the cover and lean it up against that, or you might lean it up against your textbook. We actually have a couple. I literally mean 2. I have 2 little trays. If you want, you can try to lean it in the little tray. They actually have a little bar. So like you, I don't know, put the bar in there and I don't know what the heck you do. Some people figure it out, I can't. Anyway, so I have 2 trays. I only have 2, sorry. So you're going to have to figure out a way to lean it up so you can fill the cups. Okay. When you get your strip, you might notice with the rest of my scorecards. When you get your strip, it's going to be the same pattern as your scorecard that I gave you. Use your scorecard today just to follow what I'm telling you, but save your scorecard because you're going to calculate your results on it when you come back tomorrow. Okay, so with your sterile pipette, you're going to use your emulsion to fill the little cups. Now, some of the cups have little words under them. They're underlined. And some of the cups have a little box around it. Okay? You're going to take the pipette full of your emulsion and you're going to fill every little cup up to the base. You're going to fill it up this part. Just the cuppy part. Right? Then, for those 3 with the box, you're actually going to fill it all the way. This area is actually open. But it will fill in, and the water with the bacteria will hang in there because of the surface tension of the water. For these, you only fill them halfway, but then you're going to lay your strip down flat and fill the top with oil. Why are we going to fill it with oil? Seals it off from what? Air. Air, right. So, some of the cups we're going to test aerobic metabolic capabilities, and some of the cups we're going to test for anaerobic metabolic capabilities. So here's your little bottle of oil. Throw those 2 out because the other people used them. And then use a fresh sterile one. So the mineral oil is literally sterile because you don't want to contaminate your, there's a, put it right in there. In that little, yeah, good. So here's a little oil. Throw the old one out. New one. Rid of your old one. You don't get any. They threw yours away.